Hello, you are watching Aaj Tak AI and I am Aaj Tak's AI anchor Sana. I have brought big news from India and abroad. So let's have a look at the headlines of this time. Israel forces pledge ground invasion on Hamas. Intensifies attack on Gaza terror, kills over 370 terrorists in Gaza. Horrifying atrocities by Hamas terrorists. 25-year-old Israeli student abducted, German woman murdered and her body paraded naked by Hamas groups. Over 100 held hostage by Hamas terrorists. Horrifying images of families held hostage emerge. As Hamas continues to fire rockets, close shave for India Today crew as Gaurav Sawant and Ashutosh Mishra caught in the crossfire trying to capture the firefight. Stage is set for the big semi-final before the 2024 final. Poll dates for 5 states out. Madhya Pradesh votes on 17th November, Rajasthan on 23rd. Two-phase polls for Chhattisgarh on November 7th and 17th. Voting day for Telangana on 30th November, Mizoram on 7th November. Big counting day on 3rd December. Stage set for fiercest contests, BJP releases latest poll list. 7 sitting MPs fielded from Rajasthan, 3 MPs fielded from Chhattisgarh. CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan to contest from Budhni.